Good afternoon everyone. Apologies to the lateness of this video. So this is one of my Stihl 08 saws which is up for sale on eBay. It's a 08S. It's they're a beautiful old Stihl saw. Stihl started making these. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know I've had a few of the 08s, and I have three different variations left of this saw. So the 08S, they started making this in 1965, and all up weight is around, I think it's about 9 kilos, so about 20 pounds give or take, and they can run anywhere from a 13 to a 21 inch bar. This one's running an Oregon bar. I've got it wrong in the listing. I listed it as a Stihl bar. I was copying and pasting to save time. So genuine Oregon bar, an Oregon chain, 3/8 pitch. I'll show it starting and running. I bought this one from another collector and I've had it a while, and he cut with it, but I've never cut with this saw. And handle paintwork is beautiful considering it might be around 54 years old. It's the one with the beautiful styled badge which gets riveted onto the pull start housing. Tiny bit of thin damage on the pull start casing, and other than that, really, other than wear and tear marks, the saw's in amazing condition considering its age. Starts really well, idles well, comes to peak revs really well. So I guess if anyone's going to put it back into service for cutting, it might want resetting up and cutting in wood, but other than that, this saw runs beautifully. Kill switch, throttle lock. Hey guys, so I hope that's mostly in shot, and I hope it does it some type of justice. It really revs very cleanly, very responsive engine. Some of my 08s have been quite lazy, but this one's incredibly responsive, the 08S. Do a quick walk around, I'll show it on a restart. So there you go, the obligatory few fins missing on the underside. Amazing paintwork left on the handle. Hey guys, I've managed to hit the video off again. Exhaust in really lovely condition with the old patina on it. It's a genuine Oregon bar, replaceable 3/8 nose wheel. Both chain guide plates present. Felling spike present. No fin damage on the engine as far as I can tell. To the back, air filter housing, and no brakes on the top cover, and they're a devil for breaking the top cover. They always seem to get partially damaged. Okay, I'll quickly show a restart. And again, sorry this is so late, this video, and I'll hopefully suit it for one of you guys out there. So I'll quickly show it restarting. So I haven't cut with my other 08s for a little bit of time, but they cut really well. Kill switch, throttle lock, it's got great compression. Okay guys, guys, thanks for watching, and hope that does it justice. It comes back to idle beautifully quickly, and that's up on eBay for spares or repair. Any questions, please just ask. Anybody wants to come out and take a look, you're more than welcome. Bye for now.